Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Eric Elliott. I'm Vice President of Engineering and General Services here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, and we are the Busch Gardens Trio. So, that was a joke. That was a poor joke. I just want to explain some of the musical items on the back of the stage here. So for those of you who don't know, going on right now at Busch Gardens is our Real Music concert series. So we have some excellent cover bands with great music of all genres here throughout the week, the upcoming weeks here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. So all the musical instruments that you see behind us, we're not going to play anything. I'm definitely not going to play anything. But we just want to let you know why these musical instruments were up here on the stage. But we are here today to talk about Wild Oasis. Wild Oasis. So one of the things we really want to do here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay was make sure that we utilize all our areas of the park to give our guests the best experience we can. And in bringing Wild Oasis to Jungala, the Jungala area of the park, is really exciting, really something that we've been looking forward to doing for a long time. And that's what we're here to talk about today. So Wild Oasis. So Wild Oasis comes spring of 2025. It's North America's most immersive, kid-friendly adventure realm there is that you're going to see here at the park. We're really excited about this area of the park because not only is it going to have multi-species habitats, it's going to give you great animal experiences. We're going to have great attractions as far as interactive play areas for families and kids. But we're also going to recreate a brand new drop tower experience that's going to be great for everyone. You know, this new area, we're really excited about. Like I said, really brings excitement back to the area of the park that we haven't had before. It's really great. We're really looking forward to it. If you talk about that brand new drop tower experience, we have a 35-foot drop tower, which is going to have a rider height of 38 inches. That's going to be with an accompanying adult, but also 42 inches that you can ride alone. So once again, we're going to bring that family-friendly atmosphere here to the park, and you can be able to give everyone, all families and guests, everyone a great experience here. So before I talk a little bit more, I'm going to introduce Kayla, one of our zoological curators here, and she's going to give you some great insight on some of the animal features of Wild Oasis.
Thanks so much, Eric. So my name is Kayla Wenzel. I'm one of the zoological curators here at Busch Gardens, and today I'm super excited to announce some of the new animals that we are welcoming to Wild Oasis. Capybaras. Woo! Woo! They've already got some fans. Giant anteaters, squirrel monkeys, and a variety of tropical birds. This is a multi-species habitat. One of the things that I'm most looking forward to is showing off how animals live in harmony, no matter what color or size or different type of behavior they generally display. They can all live together cohesively to benefit their environment. From a guest perspective, one of the things I'm most looking forward to is I'm really looking forward to giving you all the opportunity to see these animals in a variety of different ways. From the underwater viewing area for the capybaras, who are semi-aquatic, and also the ground level viewing for giant anteaters as an example. But Nick will talk in a minute about the canopy climb area, which will also give you the opportunity to view the squirrel monkeys and the birds from aerial viewpoints. So lots of really exciting features for the animals and for guests to experience the South American ecosystem in a variety of ways. So with that, I'll turn it over to our Manager of Creative Design and Development, Nick Ellison.
Thanks, Kayla, and good morning, everyone. My name is Nick Ellison, and I'm our Manager of Creative Development. I've had the great opportunity to be the creative lead for this project, Wild Oasis, and I'm going to share some more details with you all about some of the different play, attractions, and activities in Wild Oasis that you're looking forward to. So first off, we've got Enchanted Falls, which is our water play and splash pad area. It's located right in the center of Wild Oasis. You can't miss it. And it's going to have a lot of different water features like fountains, geysers, jets, splash towers, and waterfalls. And of course, we've got lots of seating for the parents all around this area to stay in the shade while the kids are playing and cooling off in the Florida heat. So this is going to be really popular for all of our guests here in Wild Oasis. Looking a little bit higher, we're also really excited to be bringing back Canopy Climb, which is our multi-story 4-level climbing structure that allows our guests and families to get much higher up into the treetops and see the jungle from new perspectives and new heights. There are a couple of different ways to climb up through the canopy. We've got climbing towers that top off around 45 feet tall, so you're really going to be up in the treetops there. We've got net crawl tunnels that are just about 200 feet long, so they're among the longest of their type. And we've also got a vertical climbing maze and a suspended swinging bridge. There's lots of ways to climb and explore the treetops. You'll be able to see some of our animal friends from the canopy climb as well, with some elevated views to complement the ground and underwater views that Kayla talked about. And so this is going to be a really great adventure for the whole family. One of the other all-new components in Wild Oasis is our Rainforest Quest. And this is our interactive scavenger quest that's got stations hidden all around the realm. So you'll have to explore all of these different areas that we've been talking about, from our forest floor and our water's edge by the Enchanted Falls splash pad, going all the way up to the very top of the canopy climb. You will have to search around and find these different hidden stations that are each themed to different animals from the rainforests of Central and South America. And as you figure out the puzzles at each one of these stations, you'll learn about the adaptations of these animals that help them to survive and thrive in their environments. And then as you just find more stations, you'll learn about how these animals are connected to each other. And so with that, I'm going to hand it back over to Eric. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Kayla. Even though Nick's soft-spoken, trust me, he's just as excited as I am about Wild Oasis. Trust me, he had a lot to do with it. So, as you know, Wild Oasis, like I said, we're really excited about it. We can't wait for that to open for spring 2025. Really excited for the park, really excited for all of you to really enjoy. But as we wait for the later this spring for Wild Oasis to open, don't forget right now we have one of our great events going on Mardi Gras, which you can also enjoy and come out to the park and enjoy. And then once that ends, we're going to go right into food and wine, which will get you right into that festive mood for this great opening of Wild Oasis. So Wild Oasis, North America's most immersive, kid-friendly adventure realm, coming soon to Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Thank you, everybody.